Don't say I don't bring you gifts. An hour's worth of cleaning in 1 minute's footage. Please ignore all the takeaway boxes on the side. Sometimes you just got to do what you got to do to get by. So today I've had to take the washing up out of the sink to put it on the side so I can clean down the sink. It makes sense to me. I'm using elbow grease and a scrub daddy. They do a great job together. Once it's all clean and wiped out, I'm going to pop the washing up back in and actually do it. My issue with washing up isn't actually washing it, it's putting it away. Oh, it's tiring. Anyway, I actually fake putting it away in this part of the video, and then in a second I'll show you reality. I've piled it up on the side and I then put it away, giving you some raw content creative footage right there. Moving on to the takeaways. There's something about shaking a bin bag that just gets all your stress out. And before you judge me in the comments, I can't recycle the pizza boxes because they're covered in pizza sauce and they don't accept that in my area. Egg satisfaction 101. Oh, Santa's on his way with his sack. Time to take out the recycling. I filled it up so much I had to push it down before I even took it out. I also had to push the big bin down just to get stuff in. Quick wipe down and we're back in action. Moving on to the kitchen sides, which I genuinely get satisfaction out of cleaning. The thing is, let's be realistic here. The one wipe down is just for your satisfaction. Really, I had to scrub it deeply. Oh, she's got the hetty out. Quick vacuum of the floors and then we Febreze them with a Bora Bora.